Hey guys, Jason from the Glitter Guy here again, and what we're doing is another unboxing for our Quack Pack subscription box. So this is February's Quack Pack box. Before we get into the box, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit all the buttons below. First, let's get her open. If you guys have not seen, this is the first run of the new box. So the new box will be all throughout the whole rest of the year. It's got a very like Wonka-esque theme to it. First thing that you guys should get is the info card went back to a physical card. The digital option is still there. When you scan the QR code, it will bring you to the site that has the same list of options, but then also it should have the link to the tutorial for the craft inside the box. There's a couple discount codes and a couple free downloads actually that we got from Luann Shermer. Something new that we just started that's super exciting. The info for it is on the back of the card here. Collect and win, $1,000, collect the cardboard tokens, one random letter in each Quack Pack. So the whole objective here is to spell Quack Pack. When you spell Quack Pack, we'll give you literally $1,000 in store credit. Now, mind you, the prize is big because not everyone's going to win this, and you need to collect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You need 9 letters total, so you need a minimum of 9 Quack Packs. Obviously, you can trade and barter with some people, but it's going to take a little bit of doing in order to get this spelled out. But once you do get it spelled out, you're going to win some big money. The first item in the box, though, we brought back the bath bomb, the scented bath bomb. This is in a cloud shape. When it goes into the tub, if you guys haven't received this previously, a year ago in December, we did our first bath bomb, and I believe it was lavender scented. This one's cinnamon apple, smells excellent, and I thought it went with the whole date night theme of this box. I'm trying to theme these boxes now. So date night was the theme for February, to go with Valentine's Day, obviously. So tons of glitter loaded in this too. You put this in your tub, it is going to shimmer. It's like taking a bath in a whole tub of Shimmerade. Next item, we have a silicone mixing cup, obviously reusable for being able to mix all of your epoxy and everything. Very useful. We have CC DIY artist resin, medium viscosity, little trial size bottle. That was to be able to do our craft. We're gonna get to that. Full shaker of Girls Dreams glitter. This is something that changed, that's getting put back into play, but going forward, I believe that we're gonna go with full shakers again, and it's gonna stay in full shakers. This one, the whole box is not full shakers, because that was not the decision at the time. I did Girls Dreams in a full shaker because this took the place of the new glitter of the box. Girls Dreams was only released on the advent calendar in a small shaker, so that's why I still felt that it fit the new glitter theme. Then we have our new Fusion, Freaky Naughty. I thought that name went with the box pretty well. And then Disco Dust. So Disco Dust specifically was put in the box because it is holographics, Girls Dreams as well. But that brings us to our next item. We have a bottle of Tack It Over and Over Tack It glue. If you guys are unfamiliar, please watch my tutorial on the subscription box, and we also have tutorials elsewhere on our channel for how to use Tack It glue. We have our VIP card and lanyard. All Quackcess Pass. This year's Chef D was the theme, and our lanyard has a bunch of really cool wine glasses on it. Very cartoony. Stickers. I always try to do 2 stickers. Chef D, Leprechaun D, and then magnet. So we have Chef D as well, is the fridge magnet. Our swag item for the box to keep with the Chef D, we have a pot holder. Thought same thing. This should go with date night, you know, you make a nice dinner for your loved one or whatever. Use Chef D to keep it fancy. All right, now we are into the craft portion. So the craft for this box is a heart-shaped charcuterie board and knife set pairing. The whole idea was to tack it, some glitter on it, and also be able to use these foils. We have rose gold and silver foils that come in the box as well. We based out the cutting board in the tutorial. We added some foils, added some glitter, and then epoxied afterward. It came out really great. I was super excited about this box. And then in our toolkit, there's a fan brush to apply the Tack It glue, Glitter Guy branded silicone stir stick, Random colors are coming in the boxes now. Before I was doing just like one uniform color for everybody, but I just, so many colors. Again, an acrylic blank for a keychain. It's a heart shape this year to go with the theme of the box. Something new that we added, and also it's in the tutorial, is an NFC tag. And this can make your keychains or your projects, whatever, into business cards. You can write data on these. If you need to know how to use it, once again, please watch my tutorial. For this month, we normally do an enamel pin. I opted to try out an enamel coin. I thought it was really neat. I do really like it, but I will tell you that I'm going back to the pin after this. I think I like the pin better. All of the boxes now too will come with keychain clasps to go with the acrylic blank. And here is an example of one of the collect and win chips for the collect and win. So all of the boxes are going to have a random letter inside. It's not the same per month. It's all very randomized, and they will be found in this bag so that they don't get lost. I will not put them loose in there. So the keychain clasp, the enamel pins, anything that's small and loose will always now, they were not in the past, but they will now be put in a bag so that nothing gets lost. And then also something that we just started doing to go with the acrylic blank. Well, this is actually for the cutting board, is 2 decals. And I actually chose to put both on mine in the craft. If you watch the video, you can choose one. You can choose neither if you don't like either of them. But they're there to use. But something that Luann actually gave us was some free files for the acrylic blank. So what I'm gonna start doing is actually printing at least one decal for the acrylic blank keychain that I have for whatever specific box. So for example, next month, the theme for that box is sunshine and spring. So the keychain is going to be a sun. That does it for everything that's in the box. I hope that everybody really loved this month's box. I really love this month's box. I'm excited for next month's box. Don't forget that you guys can subscribe at any time. The Quack Pack subscription box ships every even month, and then our other boxes ship on odd months. So the Quack Pack goes February, April, June, so on and so forth. Like, subscribe, hit all the appropriate buttons down below, and hope to see you guys next time.